Hello traders, welcome to marketaddiction.net. Today is Tuesday, March 3rd, 2009. We had basically a sideways day today in the markets. The Dow was down 37 points, the Nasdaq was down almost 2 points, S&P 500 was down 4.5 points. Starting off with the daily chart of the S&P 500, not a lot has changed. We're still below the lows of last year. Looking at a 10-minute chart, I posted intraday on my blog that it looked like we was maybe putting in a higher low here. I said we needed to see a break above this level, which we did get midday, but then sold right back off, almost down below this level. But it looks like for now it did hold. This is support. This was the open for the day. This was the low. As you can see, we was basically just in a range here all day. For a bullish scenario, we at least need to get back above this support area, or resistance area rather. And if we do see that, we could maybe get a run up to the 5-day moving average, maybe a gap fill. Those two levels currently are right around the same location, so that'd be a good target on the upside. Or for the downside, if we break down below here, we could get a further sell-off to who knows where, basically. I don't have a whole lot of new stocks on my watch list. Not a lot came up tonight on my scans, but there is a couple that I'll point out to you. One of those is TTEC. This is called a long side for a bullish scenario. We've had these higher highs, higher lows in here. We have a 50-day moving average starting to point up. We have a 10-day moving average above a 20-day and above the 50-day. Zooming in the 60-minute chart, you see that we've had this consolidation in here for the last couple days. Been basically range bound. If we do get a break above this level, right in here, we could see some more buying with a stop around this level here. Another stock I'm watching is TFSL. It's called on the short side. We've had these lower highs in here. This was just the opposite of the last stock I showed you. We have a 50-day moving average that is declining, 10-day below a 20-day, below the 50-day. Zooming into the 60-minute chart, you can see it looks like we've started to put in a lower high here. Looking at the 10-minute chart, you can see that over the last couple of days we've had some consolidation. Looks like we're starting to break down from it. We're now below this 5-day moving average. The support level in this area right here was broken at the end of the day, but we closed right around that level. If we see some selling with some volume, we can see a further sell-off in this one. I entered 2 new positions today. One of those was HTS. This was the chart I posted on my blog. This one's still consolidating in here, but I do have a tight stop on it, which came really close to getting stopped out today. My stop is right above this level. We've had pretty much sideways action. Looks like we're maybe putting in a couple higher lows here. But I am still in this one. If we get a break above this level, I'll be out of it. I'm more market weakness though. We could easily, just as easily, get a break to the downside of this one. Let's see here. On the daily chart, my final target on this one is 21.75, so this one's still in play. Another stock that I entered was LMDIA, which was also posted on my blog. We'll zoom into the 10-minute chart. I'd entered right around this area. Not too long after I entered this one, we got a pretty decent sized rally in here. My stop was really tight on this one, right around this level. So this one came up, stopped me out. So I'm now completely out of this position. If you'd like to see the rest of the stocks on my watch list, be sure to check out my website at marketaddiction.net. If you're watching this video on YouTube, check out the links on the side. Stop back and have a great day.